So if any party has to win in the market, they will try to do three steps. So let us going with the buyers. The first one,
Mm-hmm.
if the party is a buyer candle, then buyers will again, it has to become strong again so that it can be a buyer candle.
Yes.
If buyers are strong, they have to be strong again so that the
Yes.
next candle will be a buyer. Second one, if the previous party is a seller party, then what buyers has to do? The
They
previous
have to.
party is a, buyers will try to decrease the sellers
Yes.
so that they could become a buyer's candle on the next one.
Okay.
Third position is buyers sometimes they decrease their own volume.
Okay.
So if they decrease their own volume, it is nothing but the opposite party will enter.
Yeah.
So let me divide this two side and this one as a separate. Alright. So let us go with the sellers. So sellers, if the sellers has to take charge again, they will try to increase their own volume or the body.
Yeah.
So the arrow mark doesn't represent any particular thing like volume or the body.
Uh-huh.
It could be the both, either the body or it will be volume. The main
Okay.
intention is to just show us the power either in the form of a price or either in the form of a volume.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the volume, mother? Can you explain the volume in a simple word?
Volume.
Yeah,
It's like a buyer's contracts, like buyer how much liquidity in the candle.
buyers and the sellers contract, right?
Yes.
So it could be a body or it could be a liquidity. Then
Yes.
if the sellers are increasing their body or volume, so definitely the next candle will be a sellers.
Okay.
Second one is that if the sellers has to come back again in the market, they will try to decrease the buyers.
Buyers.
So
Yes.
what is the meaning of the decrease of the buyers?
Um, it could be body or maybe just volume.
It could be the body or it could be volume,
Yes.
both. So
Yes.
sellers will enter. These are the two things. The third one is that sometimes sellers will decrease their own volume. The third one
Okay.
I am representing is simply volume.
Okay.
Again, not the body or it is not representing the both. It is representing only the volume,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So what is the meaning of decreasing their own power?
Okay.
So let's assume this is a previous candlesticks which are moving upward direction and you see a huge
Yes.
green candlestick. The third volume represent like this, the low volume. On the candle here you can see a strong candlestick. Here the candle is a strong candle but the volume is low, which means the buyers themselves decreasing their own volume. Which means
Okay.
kind of a once the target is completed, they are not at all trying to enter again,
Okay.
right? So in the
Yes.
previous one just now we explained when you see a high volume, we said that do not try to place the trade either for the buyer or the seller.
Yeah.
But in the case of the low volume, it could make some sense,
Okay.
which means buyers are strong, buyers are strong. If the buyers are strong, what is our formula? They have to be strong again.
Yes.
Yes, there is a strong candle you can see observe from starting price. This is a opening price, this is a closing price. Which
Yes.
add a little bit of rejection, it doesn't affect these buyers.
Yes.
So which means from starting to ending the price indicates that there is full of buyers. If the full of buyers, then whose volume is that this belongs to?
Buyers.
Buyers. So which means buyers once the target is complete, the price is here representing, which means the psychology here is that the buyers just want to reach their target level and they
Yeah.
are exiting from the volume from the market.
The mountain. Yes.
So no buyers are interested to come again as a next candle as a buyers. If no buyers are interested again to come back as a power, then sellers will enter.
Yeah.
So these we called it as a buyers themselves decreases their own volume, so sellers will enter in the market.
Okay.
Is that clear, brother?
Yes, bro. Yes.
Okay. Can you imagine the same vice versa for the sellers?
So, yeah, yeah, I can imagine that.
Right. So
Yeah.
let us go with another example. Buyers decrease the sellers.
Okay.
So or we can use sellers decreasing the buyers. Same.
Okay. Yeah.
So in the market previously the market is moving upward direction, gradually moving again and again the buyers, the volume is also increasing. Okay, here we are not at all adding any kind of volume. At the starting stage, I am not at all trying to confuse you as a starting class. Okay, just making a third candle as a rejection, adding a rejection from the upper side and also
Okay.
the lower side. Just focus on the candlesticks. Keep aside the
Yeah.
volumes. So
Okay.
starting candle, you can clearly observe that the price is gradually increasing. There is a huge increase in the buyers.
Yeah.
This is the initial point because we couldn't compare the previous one because there is no
Yeah.
previous candles. This is the initial
Yes.
point.
Yeah.
Second one is also representing like a previous price, almost similar body.
Mm-hmm.
Just add some rejections if you like.
Yeah.
This rejection, which means same similar body, but upper side there is a rejection. What does this mean, brother? Just by two candlestick psychology,
Uh, so the rejection did not affect the body.
did not affect the body. But what is the meaning of the rejection from the upper side?
Sellers tried to
Which
enter.
means sellers are entering in the market.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, if you buyers show weakness in this market, they will definitely come back as a seller.
Yes.
I'm just explaining the one and two candlestick psychology. Still, we don't know the confirmation. We just
Okay.
get a hint that yes, sellers are trying to enter, but these buyers are showing the same price like the previous one.
Yes.
So we couldn't take the next candle as a red.
Yeah.
Okay. Now third
Yes.
candle, you can clearly observe the price of the buyer's body is decreased compared to the previous one or compared to the first one candle.
First. Yes.
Okay. So here we will add a volumes as a buyer's volume and also the buyer's volume.
Yeah.
Right. In the third candlestick, if the buyers are strong, what they has to do?
They have to continue.
They
They have
have
to
to
be
be
strong
strong
again.
again. Right. If the
Yeah.
buyers are entering in the market, they have to be strong again so that the buyers could come back. Yes,
Yeah.
they has done this at the second candle. One, two. Right.
Yeah.
Right. In the second candle also they has to be
Strong again.
strong again
Yes.
by increasing the price or increasing the volume. If the body is
Yes.
strong, they have to definitely the volume has to be strong. Okay, here
Yeah.
also we see that buyer's body is also increasing or similar to the previous one, and volume
Yeah.
is increasing. So the third candle will be a buyer. Let us assume. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if these buyers are saying that we are strong, then you have to be strong again. Definitely, the third candlestick, if you are two times saying that strong, you must
Yes.
and should show that next candle will be a strong buyer's candle.
Yes.
If this bias doesn't show any kind of strength or if they
Mm-hmm.
show any type of weakness, then
Yeah.
sellers will enter.
Okay.
Right? So what
Yes.
is the way of thinking sellers? The vice versa. Which means if sellers has to come back again in the market, they has to do something to the bias.
Yeah.
Right? I said
Yes.
bias has to be strong. The opposite
Yeah.
word is bias is weak. How could be the
Yes.
bias will be weak due to the entry of sellers?
Yeah.
So you can clearly imagine at the third candlestick, observe the third candlestick. This is the opening price of the green candle. And you know about anatomy of the candle, right?
Yes, yes, I
Like
do.
opening
Yes.
price and closing price. I will not at all
Yes.
explain again because it will be a lengthy and messy.
No, no, I know that. Yes.
Alright, this is the opening price. Yes, buyers enter, sellers first entry. Okay, you might be confused about the rejections. Like this
Oh
is a
yeah.
buyer's rejection or this is a seller's rejection.
Yeah.
This is a simple way of reading the candle, right? But in
Yes.
CWR, we slightly explain in a different path. For example, at the third, the candlesticks. When the market open as a opening price,
Yes.
sellers are entering in the market. So you
Yes.
have to notice, you have to observe why the sellers are entering here at the starting
Yeah.
position,
Yes.
right? You also know about the market structure. This is high, low,
Yes. Yes.
high.
Yes. Yes.
If the
Yes.
buyers are strong, they have to continue. Why there is a retracement?
Yes.
And this retracement is almost declaring the previous lower, higher high.
Yes.
So the sellers are entering at the first. They are entering in the buyers area. So you
Okay.
might be heard in the YouTube videos called as a buyer's
Yes.
room.
Bias. Yes. Bias room.
So we will not at all make something like buyer's room or something because we are just imagining if there is a full of bias, it become a bias candle. Then we are just
Yes.
imagining as a biased room. I mean the area of the bias, right?
Yes.
Some starting position to ending position. This price will be a bias price. So if
Yes.
this price is a bias price, why the sellers are entering? Why these prices
Yes.
sellers are decreasing here? If you are strong.
Yes.
So you have to keep this point aside as a confirmation that sellers are really uh, entering in the bias,
Okay.
which means so we will not at all calculate like 50%, 60%, 70%. Just
Okay.
assume normally if any person is entering at the doorsteps, it is a normal. But if he
Yeah.
enters in our area, a hall or a
Yeah.
dining table, it could be a worse. If you enter
Yes.
totally at your resting room, I mean, sorry, I mean your personal room, which means 90% or 100% we call it as, then it
Yes.
will be fully dominating of the opposite party.
Yes.
Okay, but you fight with these buyers, with the sellers, and you throw out this person out of your home. That is secondary. But how he has dared to enter in this area, which means something is happening with the sellers. Sellers are trying to come back again as a next candlesticks.
Next candle. Yeah.
Okay, but only by the entry of this first entry we couldn't say that next candle will be a sellers. This is a
Mm.
just one confirmation. We keep
Yes.
aside as a confirmation, right? After the rejection, who are rejecting from the lower side?
Bias.
Which buyers?
Strong bias.
The buyers who are saying that we are strong again and again,
Yes.
right? These buyers enter, they make some area till to the top.
Yes.
But at the end of the time also the sellers, same similar type of sellers enter from the upper side. I'm not saying that weeks, comparing the weeks.
Yeah.
I mean measuring the weeks.
Yes.
Just amount of sellers. We don't know how they are, how much they are, because we don't have any numbers.
Yes.
Same amount sellers enter from the upper side. This entry of the upper side of the sellers are decreasing the body, decreasing
Yes.
the area of the bias, which
Yes.
means clearly we will directly link to the uh, sellers are trying to decrease the bias,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So in simple words, you can have heard also heard in the YouTube videos like bias, sorry, sellers fight both sides.
Yes.
So the meaning in simple words we said yes, sellers enter both sides, they decreases the body. So
Yes.
this formula directly click here. So
Yes.
most probability the volume should be high volume. If you see a high volume,
Yes.
so whose volume is this?
Sellers.
Seller's volume. Okay,
Yes.
because the entry of the from the upper side and the lower side.
Yep.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes you will see a low volume also. Low volume.
Mhm.
This low volume also is a sign the next candle will be a seller.
Uh.
Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yeah. Yeah. Because
Here I am
they.
saying that either
Okay.
for
Okay.
the high volume or for the low volume representation is same. But
Okay.
how could we identify that? So assume here with the rejections from the previous one,
Yes.
right? So let assume I will cut the lower side rejection like this. So here I'm clearly decreasing the removing the lower side rejection
Okay.
and adding the rejection for the previous candle also at the top. The entry of the sellers from the upper side is
Yeah.
nothing but decreasing of the body.
Yes.
Here also they try to decrease the body.
Yes.
But ultimately the buyer saying that due to their high volume they are saying that we are strong again and again. So
Yes.
by observing these sellers, they has done the to both by decreasing from the upper side, it decreases the body and also the volume, buyer's volume. So next candle will be a seller's candle. Whether any confusion?
No. No.
Right. Another thing in the CWRV, many of you think that we can predict each and every candlestick. Right. So
Yes.
CWRV is not at all 100% winning ratio. It will be maximum 85.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes if the session is good and there is a no momentum, nothing news and other things, no manipulation in the platforms, manipulation in the sense of volume, then it could
Yes.
reach only maximum to maximum 90.
Yeah.
So what are the probabilities of losing this CWRV means? First is a manipulation in the volume.
Yeah.
Even though if you find any type of, if you observe the trading view
Yeah.
and IQ option or the Xnova, anything, or if you just use the trading view volume also, there
Yes.
will be some volume manipulation
Yes.
because the candlesticks which are using time frame is a 5 minutes. In the
Yes.
5 minutes time frame, the provider who are providing the data or the volume could be sometimes can be a glitch. They
Yes.
couldn't provide accurately due to the fast momentum. If there is a
Mm-hmm.
momentum, they couldn't even provide the volume accurately because they have to be give the data at, at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So at this meantime, they you can see the volume, some high volume and low volume.
Yes.
Comparing to in trading view also, if you just click on Euro USD, the
Yes.
search bar, you
Yes.
will see the providers,
Yes.
Onada.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
There are many types of providers. So
Yes.
just
So,
compare the volume for the this provider to another provider. There will be definitely a volume and a body changes also.
yes.
So you have to stick with anyone,
Uh-huh.
okay? Either
Yeah.
with the IQ option platform or either with the trading.
Yes.
So